Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're looking at binomial term I wrote in the thumbnail. So I'm going to be looking at how to expand terms like this because should I say quickly? Yes, because there's a way to open the bracket and start multiplying x minus 1 6 times. So that there's actually a method to do that. That's the binomial theorem that says that for every positive n, that is n has to be positive, x plus y n, that's when expanded. When it expanded, they have like a fixed. The coefficients are fixed. That is, you you are meant to know them, that kind of thing. So when you expand this, there's actually two ways to do it, but I'm going to use first the easier method for our proper understanding. That's the using the Pascal triangle. Because when we expand something like this, when it's expanded, right? Expanded, you have the coefficients of a Pascal triangle of a Pascal triangle. What I mean is what I explained in the last video. This is the Pascal triangle I'm talking about. That is the coefficient of this will be the Pascal triangle. What I mean is that, for example, let's do a more broken down binomial expression. That is, we have x plus 1 square. This will give us pretty straightforward x square plus 2xy plus y square, meaning the coefficient of each term is 1 2 1, and that is the third that's the third line of the Pascal triangle. So when you're expanding the binomial triangle, I'm going to be doing more example on this so you probably understand. So to do the example, so one of the things we have to take note is that each term that's each term on this is always x plus y, sorry, that is x. If x is a and this is b, this x plus b has to be equals to a n. That's what I mean. That is for each of the terms. Sorry, this has to be for each of the terms. That is, for example, now for 2 is here, then you have 2 a plus b. You understand? Meaning that this can also be written as x squared y0 plus 2x1 or 1 plus x0 or y0. So this can be, so each term have to have x and y. Just that one can be 0, the other can be 1. So this term. So each term must have the this. And if you notice, the first term, the first term, sorry, moves from the n to finally goes to 0, and the second term moves from the 0 to the 9th term. You have to take note of that. We do solving this question in our subsequent video, so we'll show this next video. Make sure you check it out. Make sure you like and subscribe.